Hi everyone, welcome to Fix It Free. Welcome to this new tutorial, guys. This is a special tutorial on what is the hue and saturation, how to use the hue and saturation tool on Photoshop, how to apply the hue and saturation to a specific color, and also how to apply the hue and saturation to a specific selection. So let's start our video. And first thing, the hue and saturation is actually is a tool that allows you to control the colors of your image based on the hue and saturation, and also the brightness also. So in order to use the hue and saturation, it's very easy. All you need to do is navigate to this icon here at the corner, as you can see, and then after clicking on the icon you'll see the hue and saturation here. Click again and you will have this little box here with all the settings in order to adjust your image. And here at the top we have the hue, where you can adjust the colors of your image, as you can see. And by double clicking on the name here, everything go to its initial state. And here we have the saturation. Actually the saturation is the strength of the color. If you want to color the saturation of the color to be strong or to be light, as you can see. And here we have the lightness. Here we have the lightness, where you can adjust the light. And the thing here is how to apply this specific filter to only one color instead of applying it to the whole image. As you can see, when I am adjusting the setting here, everything changes. Also the green here changes also, as you can see, to different color. What, for example, if I want just to change the green over here? So here we have this quick hand here that you can see here, and this, by clicking on this little hand, it will gives you a color pickup tool. And using this tool you can pick a color and automatically the color will be added to the area. And actually how this is working is the color that we just picked, as you can see, is added to a mask, and only the zone where we have this specific color will be affected with the new settings, as you can see. So let's right now adjust the settings, and you can see that the flower still to as it is, and the color of the flower isn't changing. As you can see, I only changed the green, and only the green is affected with the new settings. As you can see, you can adjust everything and only the green changes. So here let's delete this settings over here, and let's talk about what if I just want to change the color of this flower at the center, and or other ways how to apply the hue and saturation to a selection, to a specific selection. For example, this flower at the center or those two flowers here. In order to do that, you need to make a selection. Let's first make a selection. Let's use the quick selection tool, as you can see here. Let's make a selection to this flower at the center. Let's quickly adjust the selection by clicking on Alt in order to deselect the area that you don't want them to be selected. Same thing here, and right now the flower in the center is selected. You also can adjust your selection by clicking on Select and the Mask. If you want to make the selection more smoother, if you want to extend or shrink the selection, you can use the shift edge, as you can see, if you want to extend your selection. Okay, and then after my zone is selected, let's create a mask. And in order to create a mask, you just need to click on this little icon here in order to create a mask. And here we have a mask that contains our element that we have just selected. So let's right now add again, let's add the hue and saturation settings, and let's adjust the settings. You see that the settings again are applied on the whole image, and in order to set those settings to be applied only to the zone that I am selected, you just need to click on this layer where the hue and saturation is, and then click on this little icon here, as you can see, and boom, now everything is related only to the flower on the center. As you can see, I can change the color only for this flower. I can make it any color I want. Let's make this on a separate group, as you can see. So we have this group, let's name it flower in center. Okay. What if I want to make a color for each flower in this group? For example, this flower over here. If you want to make this happen, let's again duplicate this layer and let's do the same thing. Okay, with using a quick selection tool, you select again the flower that you need to select. You need to change, for example, in my case, this little flower over here. Click on the mask again. So now we have the mask for this flower, and then let's click again on the hue and saturation, and again let's apply the hue and saturation only for this mask over here. And you can change the color again by adjusting it like this to any color you want. So that's how you can do it easily and without any issues. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand how you can use the hue and saturation tool. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment and I will reply to everyone. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Free in order to get new video like this. Thank you guys.